picked up our refrigerator because our fridge is a little small to be holding our stuff, and Papa Odong is in front of us over there. This kind of weather we like though. So. Got wet. Yeah, it got wet.
We got new fridge. New fridge.
Look what our dad is wearing to ride the ATV. So we're back after, it's been about a week since we've been here for them to clear out. And as you guys can see, it's pretty big. Look how tiny Jeremy looks walking down. It's big, yo. So you guys can see kind of the scope going all the way back there. Again, we have to figure out what we're gonna do with it. Most likely build like, you know, a little house here or something like that. I don't know, we just gotta find a way to make use of it because it's just been sitting here for years. So the walk from up there, I have to talk a little louder because there's a babbling brook behind me. There's actually water here. And last time we were here, they said that there wasn't any water. But clearly there is. How you like it, Ma?
I like it a lot.
A lot. How's that good, Sean? Is.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's perfect.
Okay na? Careful, Jerm. Good go. Nice. This place gets a 10 out of 10 on views, but 1 out of 10 as far as swimmability. It is so dangerous here. This is the most dangerous water we probably swam in, dude. Yeah.
Ay, gago!
Oh my, so off.
Your cellphone?
No, my cell phone's up there.
Ikaw, gara-garaan ka.
Woo! For my feet. Country fried ribs. That's amazing. Looks like a piece of chicken. Fuck down. Masterpiece right there. Yeah. I can't explain this food. Kobe. Pico and Obi. Sandwich. Look at that. Look at that. I wish I could take out the other camera, but it's kind of rainy right now. I don't want it to get messed up. Nice. Wow. Yeah. Come on. Kobe. And then nice, I got that. Get away from us, you bug. That's how you do nanner.
Video.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Of?
Taking a video of the drone. Drone?
Oh yeah?
See a big bug.
Kaya ka na yung isuot na offset kaya kang sildang
No,
na.
it's saw the drone kind of like.
Sildang apelido.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So which road to take? Life's about taking risks, right? So let's just walk on this muddy side, and you guys will see first person view of how I'm walking through here. They did tell me to. Oh, there we go. First slip. You gave him the car key? So, I was just talking. I don't know if I'm going to include the audio here, but this is why we need multiple ATVs to get through here. To see how Jeremy just cut through. It's fun, huh?
You guys were gonna fit in the car?
Here.
Just bring this.
So you be light, ba? Because
I'm gonna finish it off. We're gonna wash this.
Yeah.
There's so much.
I've stopped this video 3 times, and you've made it back like 4 times.
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
So
Go
you're
ahead.
not left behind.
That's okay. Cool. I'm like right behind them, so you gotta get ahead anyways.